Now I'm going to show you how to use Corcel. Now to use Corcel, here I will show you step by step in order to use Corcel. So to use Corcel, we will start from what is Corcel. Corcel is an AI chatbot and also image generation powered by Corcel AI. So now here I will explain everything you need to know about each feature, how to use it and where it can be applied. So watch to the end to get the best of this video. Now how to find the Corcel AI tool. Now to find the Corcel AI tool, now click on your search engine like this. Here type on your search engine app.corcel like this. Now add.io. Now click on search. As you can see, we are in. I have already logged in, but first use the required email you want to use, and also now you will get here. In order to use it, here I will explain how each features work. Now the first one is, as you can see, this is a new feature just added by Corcel AI. Now each time they update their AI tool here in the platform, now let's know how the first one is work, which says decentralized AI chat powered by. You see it now? Click here. Now we are in. Here you will see these tools. Here see what you can this tool to do. You see it. You can mode code. Here you can ask the AI to generate more codes or more code for your programming. Here you can search for a specific information, like upload a picture and ask the AI, how can I find this picture or where can I use this picture? That's the work of here. And also here you can generate image or generate avatar by using here. Now that's how this feature works. Now here also see how to just, if you don't want to use this feature, just click here. Click on done. Wait for it to be uploaded. See it. Now you can ask the AI what you need to know about this picture. You can ask it either by using your voice or by typing it, by clicking here to use your voice or by typing it. Now the second one I will show you is, now go back in order to find a tool. To go back to the home page, just click here, click on home. As you can see, I'm back to the home page. Now here you can chat. This feature is used for chatting. You can ask the AI what you need and the AI will give you the answer or will generate the answer for you. Now to go back again, you just click here, click home page. You just come back to the home page. Now here is where you can ask the AI to generate image by clicking here. Then type what you need like this. As you can see, I'm trying to ask the AI something. Now click on search by clicking here. Wait for the AI to generate the image. You can also add the AI the complex one to generate a complex image for you. You can ask the AI to generate a complex image for you. Test the AI, test the image generation. As you can see what it generates for me here. You see the super dog. Now to download it, just press it, click on download and done. You have already downloaded the image. You see it. Voila, You see it, you have already downloaded the image. Now to find recent search or recent chat you have with the AI, either image or chat. Now to find the recent chat, you can see here the recent chat is which I had with the AI, or recent question which I asked the AI to generate for me. Here, recent image is where you can find the recent image you ask the AI to generate for you. You see it. You see it. You see it. You see the recent image which I asked the AI to generate for me. Another way to find the shortcuts to use the tools is here. Clicking this grid here, you can see it. You can also find the settings. You can find the API dashboard. You can also see this is the shortcut to find it, and also you can change to light mode like this. You see it, so everything will light up. You see it. Now you click on back to the home page. Now you see it. That's how to use these tools. That's how to use Corcel AI tool. So if you are visiting for the first time, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more AI tutorial like this and also tech related guys. Now watch this video here in order to know how to use this photo editing tool, which is called Hypeak. You enjoy it. Also is also a powerful AI tool. Now see you on the next video.